Right, we're not far from the customer now. So, Waseem, how are you feeling about going to this job and pursuing what you've learnt in the classroom?
Do you know what? I'm still a tad bit nervous, but I think what's helped me a lot is we went through a lot of theory side in the classroom. So theory gives you the basic understanding of the sequence, the boiler parts, what each part does. But then what we done, we took that theory into practical. So we changed the parts in the classroom with the coach's guidance, and so mentally we're going to see this boiler, so I can actually visualize myself what I'll need to be doing from the moment we get to the customer's door, from the moment we get inside till we walk up to the boiler, the safety checks, what to look for. So yeah, a little bit nervous because I'm still fresh, but a lot of confidence actually, because I've done this before, but it was just it was a classroom environment, but right now this is for real.
But in the classroom we did role play real situations.
Yep.
So yeah, it's true. When the customer's there, it is a different sensation. Your emotions are going to engage differently.
Oh,
so
your pressure changes.
Yeah, so the thinking is going to be affected when you actually, it's you're dealing with a customer. Am I saying things right? And you're going to be fumbling your words, and you're going to be, your brain's not going to be thinking, so you're going to think, oh my God, we're talking the right things.
Yep. But doing the role play actually calms you down. It gives you a bit more. It teaches you how to relax.
That's true. But are you going to relax when you get to this job? This is what it's all about.
Yeah, this is it. Yep.
This is what it's all about. So people out there watching, Waseem's on his journey. He's changed his career. He's given this a lot of thought before he's took this path. But he's made this decision, what he's doing. And throughout this little story we're going to show Waseem's development, his challenges, what he's going to come across, and what he will overcome eventually. Because I've trained a lot of guys before Waseem, and they successfully made that transition. So we'll see you soon.